That's his group logo, your flag.
Your flag, the model bike you have, your name right here, the trip you're going on right there. That's we're going to Colorado. Let's see the back. Look at that. That happens to be my YouTube channel, but it could be anything. It has Team GS right here. It could be Team Suzuki, Team anything.
Show on the left side. If you're hardcore,
oh, yeah.
like
Yes.
you're hardcore like.
Hi Florida Outdoor Adventures, hope you're well, keep adventuring.
What's up guys? Thanks for watching another one of my videos. This is going to be a quick, nice, pleasant, happy vibe type video. And I'll tell you why right now. I'm on my way right now with Massimo, who's right behind me. We're on our way to a new restaurant that's opening up, which is a friend of Camilo's. If you guys are longtime subscribers, you know who Camilo is, and Hernan. So anyways, we're gonna go check out that new restaurant. And the reason it's so nice and happy and good vibes, it's because of what our buddy Magel did for us, is doing for us tonight, and I'm going to show you ahead in this video. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you know that I've mentioned a few times in some certain videos that we're having a very epic trip to Colorado and Utah. Basically Moab and Silverton and all the beautiful passes up there, Black Bear Pass and Ophir Pass, Engineer and Magel. And we're leaving in September, so Magel did something extremely nice for all the guys that are going, and I want to share it with you guys. And I also want to take a little clip of it, and that was my LG back there, holy shit. I want to share a little bit of it in the Colorado videos, the preparation and stuff like that, that I'm gonna upload once I get closer towards Colorado, possibly on the way to Colorado type of video. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and hopefully it'll be a really cool little night that I can share with you guys. I appreciate you watching. One more thing, if I'm gonna talk to Magel, their jerseys, okay? They're custom jerseys, and he custom made them for everybody that's on the ride. The motorcycle that's going, the driver's name, the rider's name right here, their flag, their nationality, their blood type, and a bunch of stuff. It's awesome. So if this is something that you want for you maybe, or for your riding friends, I'm gonna try to talk to him and see how I can put you guys watching this video together with him or with the guy that made it, so you can order yourselves some really cool jerseys. I have nothing to do with it, but I would love to get you guys together for that. All right, so let's stay tuned.
Tómame la foto. Oh, Africa Twin, la toqué, bro.
Wow, you're the first one.
Toqué,
You're the second. Ozzy's the second.
Yes, second.
Third right here. Oh. Did you feel that? We're gonna show the rest of the team members their gift.
Surprise. Okay.
No. Coming.
Gary.
What is that, man?
Let's go, team. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Welcome. Alberto.
What? take a look at knock. What? What? Wait, let's look at. Let's look at. I don't know. Let's look at the detail. Detalle.
¿Cuál es el detalle?
The name, the blood type, where we're going, Yamaha. Let's see the back. Flag. Wow. Argentina. And the YouTube. Yes, that's where we're gonna see everything, guys.
Gino.
Garbage. Alex, garbage. Alex, what the hell?
Juan Carlos.
Basura.
Where is the barbecue?
Basura.
Miguel Macías.
La mandaron a hacer cuando tenía la KTM.
Daniel.
Exactamente.
Una de espalda que se ve bien el logo y otra así con las banderas de cada lugar.
Ah, sí.
Argentina.
Oye,
Yamaha.
le puso Italia.
Ahí vamos, Vino, bro. Yamaha. Yamaha Team.
Ahí se pasaba. He likes it, Gary.
No, está bien.
Magel, ¿qué animal es la hamburguesa esa? Beef, es res, venado, pollo, pavo, elk. Nice. ¿Estás preparando para tu viaje a Yosemite?
Claro, estoy
Perdón, Yellowstone, perdón.
a Yellowstone, voy a matar allá un elk y voy a hacer una hamburguesa igual a esta.
¿Y la vas a matar con tu moto?
No, a mano.
Oh, wow.
Voy a ahorcar.
Oh my God. Okay, just real quick before we end the video, thanks everybody for watching. These are the shirts I was talking about earlier. And if you guys want one, it's up to you.
Yeah, for your group.
Yeah, for your group. If you're gonna
They'll put
trip.
your motorcycle.
Yeah, let's see.
That's his group logo, your flag.
Your flag, the model bike you have, your name right here, the trip you're going on right there as we're going to Colorado. Let's see the back. Look at that. That happens to be my YouTube channel, but it could be anything. He has Team GS right here. It could be Team Suzuki, Team anything.
If you're hardcore,
Oh, yeah.
like
Yes.
if you're hardcore like Rambo.
Yeah,
You put your
and-
blood.
and Gary.
Yeah, you put your blood type.
That's right. O negative.
O
I think.
negative.
I might not be O
You
negative.
might not be O negative.
Right. So.